Hi, my name is Matt Hill. Today's date is March 14th, 2024, and today we'll be filming a video for Sitek Process Solutions. Since our videos are uploaded to the web and we like to keep our customers' privacy, I will give you a location and a PO for the job. The location is in the US and the PO number is 4515959230. Go ahead and get this unit started and then we'll go over the refurbishment process. All right, I can hear the low pressure purge, warm to the touch, dry substrates. All right, get that thing started. All right, well, today we'll be running a typical spin rinse dryer process. First, it starts in that rinse cycle where it washes or rinses all the unwanted particles off of the substrates. After the rinse cycle, then follows the purge cycle, which will purge the DI lines to eliminate any water from them. After the purge, it'll go into dry 1, where it will spin at a very high RPM, using force to flick off the water droplets from the substrates, which it looks like we're in now. After the dry 1 process, it'll go into dry 2, where the RPM will dramatically decrease and the heating blankets or elements will turn on, thus allowing the heating blankets to finish the drying process. I'm just going to let this run for a minute and just kind of give it an eye. As you can see, the RPM just decreased, so we're in that dry 2 process, allowing the heater blankets to do the rest of the drying. Every unit or every refurbishment sent here to Sitek goes through the same extensive refurbishment process. First, we break down the tool to the component level, and then we inspect all components for functionality and electro polish and clean all metal parts. We also will replace all consumables such as windows, seals, heaters, heater blankets, filters, gaskets, all the tubing. It comes when we refurbish them, we set them up with the new SMC solenoid valves. They're a lot easier to come across and they're not as expensive as the old Humphreys. Once the components all pass testing, we put it into a dry quality control where we basically build the SRD up, but we do not install facilities yet. Once it passes dry quality control, then we'll put it into wet quality control, and that's where we'll add facilities and then test it for full functionality. After it passes both wet and dry testing, it will come to its final configuration, which you see here. And from here, we will run it many different formulas, at least 50 times, to ensure that it is ready to install once it gets back to the fab. Like this one, a lot of our clients will send in just the head itself. It's easy when you have a double stack to just pull one, send it in, get it fully refurbished. and then you're still able to use the other single head that's at that double stack. This comes in, gets nice and clean, almost like new, and then comes back to the fab, and it can just be installed right back into the unit and plug and play, ready to go. Some clients do send in the whole unit, including poly, especially if it needs a good cleaning or there's any type of damage to it. And in that case, we will take the whole unit and then obviously clean the poly and repair whatever is needed. All right, just under a minute left. I want to kind of just watch this thing again, see if everything's doing what it's supposed to, which is looking good. Barely any water droplets I can see. Down to the last 30 seconds, and it's looking good. Alrighty. Looking good. Substrates are nice and dry. Slide that back in. Alright, so we have ran a successful process. This thing is looking good, and it is ready to be shipped to our customer and be installed back into the fab. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit us at sitekprocesssolutions.com, or you can give us a call at 916-797-9000. Thank you and have a good day.